Okay, let's get a look inside the gas tank. A bit of rust on the outside, but I think that was there for the years. Let's see if we can even see down in there. It doesn't look bad at all. Get it to focus. I think I'm going to put a little CLR in there anyways. Okay, we'll let that sit, and I'll drain that out, see how it looks, and I can reuse that. So, well, that CLR has been sitting in there about a week. I was only going to let it sit for a day or two, but I ended up injuring myself. I cut my finger, so it sat in there a little longer than I planned, so I lost about a week. That's kind of crappy too. I got a rag around here. There's one. Yeah, cleaned up a little bit. I could probably do a little better with a brush, but didn't really get much on that, so. Let's see. Fluid looks crappy, but I don't know. Let's get it out of there and see how it looks. Mess I can make. So I'm coming up with a petcock too. Set that down. Oh yeah. Well, I'm glad I didn't throw gas in that and just let that that was clear. I think I might, yeah, and there's rust chunks in there. I think I might give it another dousing of some evapor rust or something. I've had good luck with that. The tank's still pretty solid. I don't think there's any holes. It didn't really leak. Some came out of the petcock when I had the thing turned a little bit. But yeah, all right, well, we'll give it another go. Let's see if we get a better results with this. I got a 3-gallon bucket, but I've used that so much, I think that's pretty much deteriorated. So I got this 1 gallon, and I don't need that much in it. I'm just trying to get what's sitting down at the very bottom of the tank. This stuff's kind of a yellowish clear. We'll have to see how this looks coming out. Had good results with tools and other stuff. Okay. It's been about a week, so let's see how that Evapo-Rust is doing. I shook it around every once in a while. Yeah, a little better on the cap. Still can clean that up with a brush, I think, but so far I like it. Can't really see much in there. Let's see what comes out. On the bottom, I'll have to probably rinse out to the petcock, but yeah, that got a lot of crud out of that. That's not even clear anymore. Let's see. Yeah, I may have to get another gallon and just let it soak again. That's pretty nasty. Let me see how the inside looks. I'll find my flashlight. There it is. Well, the inside looks good. Wish I had a borescope. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. I'm okay with that. Need a smaller light in the way. But yeah, can't get it on camera, but back there looks about the same as what we're looking at right here. I might rinse that out and just run it. Still put a filter on, but not too bad. Not horrible, but it needs to get cleaned up. brand new. Cleaning out the bowl for the petcock. Notice this hole in it. See if I can get it to catch on camera here. See the hole? No wonder my gas leaked out. New petcock came in, and this bowl does fit in this one. They're really an exact match, but I was going to try to tack that with a weld, but I really don't want to ruin it. I don't know about epoxy. I don't trust that holding it. So I'm just going to leave this alone for now. Run the brand new one. If I have any issues, I'll come back to this one. Definitely save the genuine parts. This looks like I might need that for little micro pieces in there with that little bit of rust I had. So I'll put that together and get it back on the tank. Okay, got the gas tank done. Gas cap was cleaned up. Gas tank was cleaned out. Even blew it out with some air. Got some dust out of it. New petcock on. So this is all ready for gas when I get the engine reinstalled.